Hi dear friends, welcome to our short video today. This is Linda. Let me introduce about this car, our Volkswagen Zero. Yeah, this one it is a 5-seater SUV with a very good condition, and this one is a new car. If you also want to buy the used cars, you can also contact with us. Yes. So if you want to know more information about this car, welcome to contact with us. For the prices or the details for this car, let's say about around for this car. Okay, Volkswagen Zero is waiting for you. See you!